Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and any flavorings you desire. Next, ensure your ice cream maker's bowl is pre-frozen, ideally for at least 24 hours, to achieve the best consistency. Finally, whisk your base ingredients together until the sugar fully dissolves, creating a smooth mixture. Once your ingredients are ready, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar in a large bowl. Stir well until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a smooth, uniform base. This step is crucial for a creamy texture. Then, cover the mixture and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours or even overnight to ensure it's thoroughly chilled before churning. Now for the fun part. Pour your well-chilled ice cream base into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Turn on the machine and let it churn. This process typically takes between 20 and 30 minutes, depending on your specific model. You'll notice the mixture gradually thickening, transforming into a delightful soft-serve consistency, ready for the next step. After churning, transfer your soft ice cream into an airtight container. This helps prevent ice crystals from forming. Place the container in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firm consistency. Once fully frozen, scoop and enjoy your incredibly delicious, homemade ice cream. It's a simple pleasure that's truly worth the effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.